My name is Christy. For those of you that are new here, I do make planner videos. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I am super glad you decided to join me for my fourth week of wellness planning in my PP weeks. So yeah, I'm pretty glad that we are on our fourth week here. So that means that I have officially gotten into habit territory versus thinking about it. So we're gonna see. We're just gonna keep kind of moving and see how we go here. This is where I have left this week. My meal planning looks the same every week. I don't know why I put it in here, but I think it's more of a record for me. Literally, it's like the same thing every year. Boy, I wasn't using it much this week at all, was I? So yeah, it's literally, I have eggs and spinach every morning. And then I have my chicken, broccoli, and sweet potatoes at lunch. And then for dinner, it's whatever we decide to eat that night. So this week, and if you will notice, my goal last week was 40 minutes. And as of Thursday, I have started hitting that consistently. That last 5 or 6 minutes is a freaking nightmare, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how you get there, just that you do. Tomorrow, we'll see what I do. And I don't know if I'm using the bike tomorrow or not. My mom just purchased an elliptical and I have to put it together. I may do a workout on that tomorrow. We'll see. But it's still going to be the same kind of time thing for me more than anything. So let's look at this week. Once again, meal prep will be the same exact thing for lunches every day. The kit that I've chosen to use this week is the same one that I used in my Erin Condren Plan With Me, if you watched that, which is the winter kit from Nicole Alexia Designs. And these micro kits are like the best thing in the world for a PP weeks because it has just enough stuff. I think that it's a great way to put things in here. I don't know that I care, once again, about putting the dates on here so much because to me, like if the week before, like I didn't put them last week, I put them the week before that. I just don't know that I care a whole lot about putting them in there unless I start skipping space. If so, then we'll worry about it. But for now, we're not really going to. So we're just going to kind of get started with this week. I think because of the colors of this kit, that was good. Because of the colors of this kit, I am going to lay down this washi at the bottom that I had a couple weeks ago again, which was from Creativity and Ink. Let's get this at the edge of the page. Yeah, that looks good. Let's get this to here and let's see if we can't actually rip that just like that. Might be a little crooked, but that's okay. Progress, not perfection. That's what I have made my motto here lately. Okay. So let's go ahead then and pull this up right there. Get that smoothed down. I think that looks pretty at the bottom. I really like this washi a whole lot. So once again, that was from Creativity and Ink. I just think it's really, really pretty. Yeah, I like the marbling on the washi, and I love the fact that it's silver foil and that matches the, I think it's silver. It may be hollow. What the heck? Is it silver or hollow? It's so weird. It's like it's silver, but it's coming off hollow in some ways. Okay, moving on. Okay, so we are going to be using, as I said, the winter kit this week. The reason that we're using the winter kit is because Nashville decided to get cold. And yeah, as of the time I'm speaking to you guys, let me see what let's see what Pastor Christy says the temperature was supposed to be. The day that you guys are seeing this, that's what it's supposed to be here. So we're supposed to be, yep. That's not too bad. I'm more concerned about some of these other days, like, oh, I don't know, like Monday and Tuesday, because it's going to be cold. So yeah, that's where we are with that. It all of a sudden, and I don't think I would have as big of a problem with this if it's like, we hadn't been in the like 60s the last little bit here. Or maybe it's just something in this lighting that's making this look hollow, because even that silver kind of has a hollow appearance. Let's tighten this in so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Oh, hello, beautiful. Yes, look at you. Okay, so much as we've been doing, I'm going to throw one of my glitter headers that's left over from the kit underneath here. Because this is why I do this the way I do, and I plan with my full spread first, my Erin Condren first, and then I kind of jump over to this, because that way any scraps that I have from the kit as well, I can pull into this. Typically don't need a whole lot, but just in case. What did I use last week? I think I just used a big piece of washi. I did. Well, I can't really write on that washi though, so what the heck? Well, let's see what we have left on this sheet, because I need, I have, all right, we're going to be getting inventive here. Okay, so I do have 2 of those to go with, and I have 4 of these. Okay, so we're going to be fine for that. I think we're just going to use this big box right here. What did I put that on? Oh, wait, I know I need 2 of these. Shoot. Oh, you guys, I'm on the struggle bus. What do I want to use here? Actually, you know what? I know exactly what I'm going to do. We're going to put this down. Okay, and that's where we're going to put the workout thing. And then I think we're just going to put like one of these little flag things right here with my goal for time this week, which is going to stay 40 minutes, so it's not like it's all that big of a deal anyway. Whose sampler did I see that had that on there? I don't think it matters though. I had another thing that had workout on it too. Oh wait, no, that's right. I have actual scripts. Oh, see? Look at me. Remembering that I have things. Okay. Well, washi tape is now escaping and jumping off my desk. So that's a thing. So let's get Monday, Tuesday. I feel like I should probably be spreading this stuff out better, but I don't know. I'm just still trying to play around with what I want to do as far as like the layout of this whole thing. I mean, it's been kind of a struggle for me to figure out what works best for me as far as planning when it comes to this kind of thing. And I really feel like this is more of, I don't know if I called this exercise exactly planning. What I'm doing here, I feel like is more of like mindfulness, because I'm more apt to actually like do the things I'm supposed to do if I have to write it down, and I have to write down that I failed at something. It's gonna piss me off, to be quite honest. So yeah, that's kind of why this is less about planning, more about being mindful. Okay, so let's go to Monday and let's just lay down these headers underneath all of the days. I probably should just do this when I'm doing it, but I don't. Okay, Wednesday. Oh, yeah, that was going to be bad. I almost messed that up. Thursday, Friday. Let's see. Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Oh, that's crooked. I mean, it probably would be fine, but I would prefer not to have it be quite that bad. And I already know the reason I have to keep myself held together pretty well this week is because I already know that I am going to be a terrible human being with my eating on Saturday because my mom's birthday is Thursday. So we are going to Cheesecake Factory on Saturday. So yeah, when you already know that there's going to be a problem, you just try to, let's widen out a tiny bit here. Okay. All right. So now what was next? Oh, our checklist. It's right there. All right. So let's pull one. These are so small. Oh wait, no, I wanted to. Yep, let's drop that actually down. I wonder how far I would have to drop it down. Let's try right here. We're gonna try something different this week. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about the extra scripts in here, but we're gonna see. Never know. Could love it, could hate it. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm like turning you guys all over the place here. That's a little crooked, but that'll be okay. Well, good enough. Okay. So let's now take our meals scripts. And I don't know how well this is going to go, but we're going to try it for this week. Oh, I think that's cute. I guess this means I'm buying about 1 million more of these. Well, that's a thing. Of course, next week I could decide that that's way too much thought process for me. Okay, so let's make sure we get these about the same place. You're not going to be perfect on every one of them. Let's see. So, I went today to Ross because I'm in this really awkward spot where it's like, I don't want to go out and buy like a full amount of clothing yet, but being honest with you, most stuff that I wear to work is getting way too big and way too uncomfortable because I'm the type of person that I don't want my clothes to be skin tight, but I also would like them to actually fit me. So I went to Ross today and I found another pair of pants and a dress actually, because Ross's dress section is literally bar none one of my favorite in the world. And I don't wear dresses a lot, but when it comes to spring and summer, I will typically start to wear them more because it starts to get hot and it's easier for me to be comfortable that way. Okay, let me pull all of this stuff that I have over here out so I can kind of slide it to the side because I got way too much going on here. Way too much going on. Okay. That can all go away. Okay, so now what do I need? All right. So let's pull this darker one right here, I think. I think we're just going to do the workouts this week. I don't think I'm going to track the calories. What colors do I have in this? Got one of these. I feel like I didn't put something right. Oh, well, it's fine. Ooh. Uh-oh. I just got sideways. That's good enough. Is this like one of the grayish blue ones? It is. Because I don't need one for Monday. And I don't need one for Friday. So I just need darker gray. Actually, I think we're going to pop this one here. Maybe this one right here. Okay. And then I'm going to use, what do I have two of that I can use? Maybe I'll use, what am I going to use? Oh, that's right. I kept the flags here for a reason. I've got brown and gray, darker gray. All right, we're going to put these here. Okay. All right. So now let's just fill this out really quickly. Yep, I think that's all I needed from here. All right, so the only thing that we really need to fill out here then is that we want 40 minutes. And everything else, we can do off here. And off here. But other than that, this is pretty much my setup for the week. So let's go ahead and out. And I do try to be mindful about filling this out as I go. Doesn't always work out for me that well. I love the foil in this. This is so pretty. Oh, I love this kit. And just so, I don't think I filled this out completely by the time I talked. Yeah, I did. I say on Sundays, I don't know why I even bother. I ought to just put something in here. Because I'm really bad about forgetting Sundays. And once the moment goes, the moment goes. So yeah, this is my layout for this week in my PP weeks for my wellness planning. I hope that you guys are having a fabulous week and that your new year is going wonderfully so far. Please let me know down in the comments if there are other things you'd like me to do or other things you'd like to see me do as far as video suggestions. And yeah, I guess that's it. I will talk to you guys. If you come back for my Erin Condren Plan with me, I will see you on Sunday. If you don't, I will see you next Wednesday in my next wellness plan with me. Bye guys.